judge, but the judge kept allowing him time to get his composure and would ask him. The question is the judge believing Pistorius? Are you believing Pistorius? Hashtag on the case. Let's bring back in the dream team as we take a look at what the folks are saying online. Full of Life 9. No! He is a liar, and it's about him. As many times he called Riva, she would have said something. He is a murderer. He is guilty. MRGQ 181. I believe Oscar Pistorius killed his girlfriend. Throw the book at him. I'm sure he knows the difference between a man's voice and a girl's voice on the case. All right, AAA Beach Boy. 3 S's for Oscar. Snapped, slapped, shot. Tragedy. And to me, you know, what is taking place behind closed doors, what their whole relationship was like, only they know. We did get to read some of the emails and texts between the two, and there were some times where it seemed like he was kind of jealous, which would fit the mold of classic domestic violence, Janet.
But why in the middle of the night with her in the bathroom? I mean, that's the question. What was the motivation
Why was she in the bathroom to begin with? Perhaps to get away from him, perhaps to look at some emails, try to escape. Yeah,
it just doesn't seem like heat of passion. I guess that's the thing. I mean, I can see him being jealous and shooting her in the heat of passion, or
sounds more like premeditated, right?
Well, yeah. As a defense attorney, I think you've cornered me. I think you're right. I mean, it doesn't sound like the jealous rage. I wouldn't think that that's what this looks like.
Well, keep in mind, a second-year witness said that she heard arguing between 2 and 3 o'clock, and the shooting took place at 3:17.
So give you some time for all this to take place.
Well, and we know that he's rageful and impulsive, and it just lines up naturally that she would be hiding herself in the bathroom to get away with him, and he would be even more rageful and impulsive and shoot, as opposed to the defense theory of the case, which requires you to make so many intellectual leaps from one thing to another that at some point it just becomes too strained, and no one's going to buy that.
But wait, Mon. Matt McJ. I'm believing Pistorius all the way from Jamaica. I believe it was an honest mistake. Honest mistake. That would be a complete defense to this whole thing. Mrs. J. Witness, the only thing he's saying that I believe is that he killed her. That's the truth. And 777 Teresa, guilty on so many complex levels. So very sad. R.I.P. Riva Steenkamp. Justice must be served. All right, it only takes one piece of evidence, one slip-up during testimony, one moment that could be the key to unlock Oscar Pistorius' fate. So for the next 2 weeks, we're going to take a look on the case, going back, going through the testimony, finding the top 10 keys that could make or break the Blade Runner's case. What's your #1 key to the case? Tweet us, hashtag on the case.